Question 3. Three water lines merge into a water main. All lines are made out of standard weight steel with Schedule 40 pipe. Pipe information as follows. Branch 1, 2 inches, 34 gallons per minute. Branch 2, 3 inches, 100 gallons per minute. Branch 3, 4 inches, 75 gallons per minute. Water main is sized of 6-inch pipe. What is the velocity inside this line? So let's break this problem down. We have three lines coming into one. So you have 2-inch line, 3-inch line, and 4-inch line coming into 6-inch line. In order to solve this problem, we have to understand the concept of conservation of volume. So basically, the sum of volume coming in equals to sum of volume flow coming out. Now, what's volume? So volume is your velocity times the area of the pipe. So we can solve this problem by typing in steel pipe friction tables. Once we go inside the steel pipe friction tables, we're going to obtain velocities and inside diameters of each line. But before we do that, let me expand a little bit on the area. So the area for the pipe is pi over 4 times diameter to the second power. So let's just break this problem down. We have volume 1, first branch, volume 2, second branch, volume flow 3, third branch, equals to the water main. Let's just call it volume 4. And now for each volume, we have to multiply velocity by area. And we do this for all of them. Now you get the gist of this. Now let's insert the values from the table for velocities and inside diameter. So for a 2-inch branch, we have 3.25 feet per second, pi over 4 over 2.067. That's in inches. We need to get feet. Divide that by 12 to the second, plus, this is for our second branch, 4.34 feet per second, pi over 4, 3.068 by 12, that's feet to the second, plus 1.89 feet per second, multiplied by pi over 4. And then we have inside diameter of that line, 4.026. That's inches. Divide that by 12. Gives us feet. Equals to, this is our flow velocity that we are looking for. Multiplied by pi over 4. And the inside diameter of 6.065, divide that by 12 feet to the second. Now we can cross pi over 4 everywhere since it's on both sides of our equation. And once you type all this up in the calculator, you're gonna get velocity of 2.32 feet per second. And that's our final answer for this problem.